Hello, 8th graders. It's Mrs. Sargent, the school librarian. I want to teach you some information about research and how to become information literate. So you have a research paper due at the end of your year for your English class, and I am working with your English teachers to help provide you with your project resources and information about how to research effectively. This is important to know how to find information and where to find it, as well as what is good and bad information. So our objective for this lesson is to be able to gather resources to effectively write a research paper by using the library, internet, and print resources. So our question for discussion is, how can you tell if a website is useful for research? So when you have studied the different links on this website, I think you can answer your comment right there, and I will look forward to seeing your answers. So we are working with the AASL framework for Learner Standard. That's the American Association of School Librarians. And it says, learners follow ethical and legal guidelines for gathering and using information by evaluating information for accuracy, validity, social and cultural context, and appropriateness for need. So the first resource we have here is our school library website, which I'm going to open here just to show you. I hope that you visited it. So we have our bibliography citation station, our calendar, library hours, anything you need to find, we're going to find on there, okay? All right, we also have our local library catalog, which you can use to find stuff. You can find books, those are fiction books, and you can visit any of the library. This is the catalog for the whole city of San Diego. You can find anything you need for your research project, and we have many resources in San Diego. So, all right, let's go back to protecting your privacy online. This is a video from PBS Learning Media that talks about who's snooping on you online. So this is something to know about internet safety. Okay, and then we have the MLA format for writing. Okay, you are going to have to do your citations, which is basically the sources that you're using for your research paper. You will be using the MLA format. And this has some ways to cite your sources. All right, it's a great resource. Okay, next we have how to evaluate online content. So this is a checklist for people looking for resources on the internet. There's a lot of great things on this page. Okay, next we have National Geographic Kids, which has, this is a PDF that tells you how to do research like a pro. So here's some information and some websites that will work to help you in your research. Okay, we have another way to evaluate sources. This is a university library, but they have a short little page about how to evaluate websites. We have the News Literacy Project, because fake news is a very big thing right now with cultural, in our culture. So there's some information about, and here is about voting. It's kind of a current thing going on right now. All right. Let's close that out. Okay, next we have, is this a hoax? This is a great little worksheet you can print out to help you in your planning or as you're evaluating websites. Some questions you can ask, and this is going to help you decide if a website is going to be good for your research. All right, plagiarism. This is a big topic in research projects because we have to make sure that what we're writing is our own words, and if we're using the words of someone else, that we give them the credit. And so this website tells you about plagiarism and some of the things to help you when you're writing to decide if something is common knowledge or when you give credit. All right, I'm going to close some of these out. Okay, back to here. Okay, our last resource I have is a research paper scaffold, and this is something to help you get started with your writing. There are a lot of pages here, different things. There's facts you can write down, sources, kind of help you keep track of your sources and where you got them from. So main ideas, this will kind of help you sort out what you need to start writing your project. So this will be something you use later as you're researching. All right, I hope that these resources will help you all answer this discussion question. How can you tell if a website is useful for research? And I'm anxious to see your comments right here. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.